So coming up to the end now of another install of another SV Mini unit. This one is going on a situation where there's just a single speed pump, and we're replacing the heater and the control system. And you can see it's very neat here where it's gone in. We've just extended that on a little bit longer. So it's a really good install. We've just cut out an old system and got this guy in place, and it's going to do a wonderful job. Call Nillumbik Pool and Spa Service if you want to get one of these for yourself.